Education is one of the treasures that we can have in our lives that doesn't anyone can take it. Every student faces a lot of silent battles in their daily lives, not just in a classroom but also in their home, that can affect their mental health, the pressure under the academic, and the expectation.
Activities with some, what should I do now? Uy, si Julius, nag-aaral. Ano to? Uy, balik niyo sa akin yan. Ito! Next na po yung examination ko.
Sige, mamaya. Bibigyan natin. Pero siguro mo makapasa ka. Ayoko nang wala. May sige na.
Pagod na ako. Di ko na alam ang gagawin ko. Sir Mama, ang taas ng expectation. Anong gagawin ko?
Expectation that gives you pressure on over your academic.
Good morning, class. Today is your examination. Pagkatapos mo mga Good morning, class. Today yung result ng exam. Some of you siguro sa naman. Yung iba, na-relax na exam. Perfect law. Someone. Right. Result status. Bakit hindi yung score mo? Ang baba.
Ginawa ko naman ang lahat. Bakit ganito yung score ko? Muli pa sila, matawa-tawa lang. Okay ka lang? Bago kasi lang ako sa telepan. Mapapila yan na gano'n ako. Ginawa ko naman yung lahat ng mga kaya ko. Pero hindi pa rin sa kanila lahat. Sapat na. Tara, marami na tayo.
Ba't ang baba nito? Sabi ko, ikaw dapat raw mataas.
Ginawa ko naman po ang inyong best ko eh.
Sa susunod ha, dapat mataas ka.
Puro na lang sila. Wala silang ibang masabi sa akin. Ginawa ko naman yung lahat. Puro na lang sila. Ganun yung sinasabi nila. Hindi pa rin sa kanila sapat. Siguro wala yung kalusugan ko. Papahinga mo na. Respect from colleagues that helps their mental health. Even through this, a lot of things happen. Always choose to respect and kindness to every individual.
Moral support. not just in academics, but in their side. Student deserves a moral support from everyone, especially from their parents. Every student deserves it.
And always asking, how are you? Simple asking but quietly helpful for him. Smiling outside but with peace inside. There's a lot of unsaid thoughts that they want to.
Every effort you give is enough, and every challenges you face, they're always learning from it.
Don't put yourself in the low. In this world, always remember, you're worth it.
It's okay to pause for a while and continue again no matter how hard it is.
You're not alone.
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 You're not alone. Reach out.